Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Ahadiat and now I'm here at the P building, which is the building that is used for student of English literature to study. And I'm here about to interview some of the students here about all about their study and stuff. Okay, let's follow me. Okay, everyone. Now I'm here with
Malik.
Malik. Okay. And what semester are you from?
I'm from fifth semester
Okay,
from
so
A class.
okay. So, Mr. Malik, I have a few questions here for you regarding English literature. First question is, what is your first impression of English literature?
Okay, my first impression of English literature is very difficult.
Uh-huh.
I think uh, even I like English from I was a child, but I think when I decided to go to English literature department, so I have to fully prepared for this English literature
Okay.
because it is so
It's
difficult. I
difficult.
think,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. So it is quite a difficult department. Yeah, major.
Yeah.
Uh, Now that you are fifth semester, how was your first impression compared to now? Is it still difficult?
Uh, yeah,
Yeah. And
yeah. Because there is uh, oh, yeah, it's
yeah,
difficult.
it cannot be explained with words.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
it's kind of
speechless.
speechless lah.
Speechless. It's very difficult that it makes Mr. Malik over there speechless. But okay, so moving on to the next question. Like you said, the subject or the English literature is difficult. But is there any favorite subject that you have?
Oh, my favorite subject I think is public speaking
Oh, okay.
because I want to speak English like flawless, like clearly. So I think my favorite subject is public speaking.
And who was the lecturer?
My lecture is Miss Days.
Miss Days. Okay. And another question here is, what is your subject that you really hate the most? Don't
Uh,
worry, don't worry.
uh, I don't have this
Uh,
course, but I think this is the most difficult course in English literature department. It is.
so, we will censor this later.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
Last question, Mr. Malik. Linguistic or literature?
hmm. Honestly, till this time, I cannot decided where I want to go. Is it literature? Is it linguistic? I don't know yet because I still confused what I choose to be my major.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Well,
I think I will think about it later.
okay. Well, that's all the question that I have for you. Thank you so much for answering my
Yeah,
question,
my
okay, Mr.
pleasure.
Malik. Okay, everyone, let's get to the next person. Thank you, Mr. Malik. Let's go. Okay, everyone. Now I'm here with
Dafa
from what semester?
from semester one.
Okay.
And I am Fariski from one semester.
Okay. Okay, so Dafa and Fariski, right? Okay. First of all, I want to ask you, how was your class this today? How was your class?
So far, it was so fun because I got speaking general communication, which is what I like to more practice a lot because I like more practice and talking about everything. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
And for me, it's a bit exciting because I'm more like talkative person.
Mm.
So when I speak a lot in the class, I got excited.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so I have a few questions for you guys, okay? First question is, what is your first impression towards English literature? Like when you first got here, what is your first impression?
My first impression is like really good because I met a lot of people that is who have the same interest in like some music and movies and yeah, etc.
Okay, and
And
what you?
And for me, it's interesting because here I met a lot of people that have the same interest with me, like the music or games.
Okay, so seems like you guys have found like some people that have like the same thing as you guys here, right?
right,
Okay, let's get into the next question, right?
all right.
What has been your favorite subject so far in this first semester?
My favorite subject, of course, speaking English for general communication
Oh,
because I like to speak.
who's the lecturer?
The lecture is both Miss Fowers.
Oh, yeah,
Fowers,
yeah.
yeah.
Okay. And how about you?
And for me, it's the same as
Oh, the
him.
same.
Yeah,
Is it also Miss Forest?
yeah.
Okay. So what about her? Is it the subject or Miss Forest that's make you guys like it?
Both, because
Well,
I like the way she is teaching.
mm,
Like it's really fun.
Right.
She's like to smile a
Yeah.
lot, yeah, and then she's cheering, yeah.
and you're the
And
same.
she have a lot of apa ya technique
Technique.
uh,
Tricks or
tricks
yeah.
to yes teach us.
Okay, okay. So last question, as you guys know, in English literature, there's uh, two primary subject. There's the linguistic, like structure, and there is literature, like literary analysis. So I want to ask you guys, which one of those do you prefer, linguistic or literature?
I think I prefer linguistic
No, and why?
because I want to learn like more about linguistic things and scientific about the language.
Okay.
So yeah.
And how about you?
And for me, uh, it's the same as him, linguistic, because I want to learn more to how to apa ya,
How to talk better or something?
yeah talk better and with the right pronunciation.
Okay, thank you. Okay, that's all the question that I have for you guys. Thank you so much for
Thanks.
attending my interview. Good luck with your rest of the day. Okay, thank you. Let's get into the next person. Okay. Hello everyone. Now I'm here with.
So first of all, thank you for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. Hello everyone, my name is Arfa Jahrimana and I'm from class 3D. How?
Okay. Hello. Okay, Arfa. I have a few questions for you today, but I wanna ask like, how was your day today? Like, is it good or is it tired?
It's kind of awful right now
Oh.
because I'm tired. I'm tired to be a human. I want to be a cat.
Okay. Well, that's quite an interesting insight. Okay. But unfortunately, you have to answer some of my questions first. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. It's okay, right?
Ike.
Okay. Okay. So my first question for you is, what has been your first impression of English literature?
Oh, my first impression to our majority,
Yeah.
right? I kind of like this majority because English is my only soft skill.
Oh.
So I like this majority because I like speaking like this
Mm.
with English language, and yeah, I like this.
And has your first impression changed now that you've been around for 1 year? Is it changed your first impression? Do you still like it? Do you still have fun?
So, unfortunately,
Unfortunately.
no. I still like this majority
Ah.
because the lecture was like good.
Hmm.
They giving us some subject that must be like knowledgeable.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and then I'm with the organization in this campus, my tether,
Yeah, yeah.
and with himpunan mahasiswa
Yes, okay,
jurusan.
okay.
That's
AIDS.
yeah, ads. I'm more like this
Okay,
majority.
okay. So, okay, you talk about like the subject is nice, but I want to ask what has been your favorite subject so far?
Oh, so far from this semester, for this semester, I like public speaking.
Oh.
Because the lecture was Budian. Oh, that's
Hey.
she's a
Shout out
good
to
lecture.
Budian.
Hello Budian, if you watch this
Hey.
videos, hello. I like Budian because she's like, giving us the material for speaking like properly, really properly, good. And then she's like giving us assignment that must be fun, like this assignment,
Okay, yeah. This is
This
very
this
fun.
this is
I've been
assignment.
having a very fun day
Like
interviewing
you,
people also.
yeah, talk with the people, ask some question. It's like good, right?
Yeah.
So my favorite subject is public speaking.
Okay.
Now.
Shout out to Miss Dian, okay?
So W Miss Dian,
Yeah.
W Miss Dian.
Miss Dian,
W.
please give us an A.
Oh, amin.
Okay.
Okay.
I wanna. This is like a bit sub question from before. Okay. What question? What subject now that you like public speaking? Like what subject do you hate the most? On it
So
comes to-
I hate all of the subject in this. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I don't. There's. I know. Wait.
it's okay.
I
You
hate-
you can say anything. Like if you don't feel like it, we can censor it later.
Oh. I don't have the reason, so guys, the
Yeah.
reason is.
Listen, yeah. Okay. Well,
I don't have to speak.
it's interesting because I've interviewed other people also, and when I ask what they hate the most, the answer is the same.
Yes, right.
So it looks like people of English
No,
literature
no.
have the same opinion.
Yes.
Okay. But final question, Mr. Rafa. This is quite a simple question. Linguistic or literature?
Ah. Uh, farmer.
You want to be a farmer instead, no?
Yes, I don't want to be in the linguistic or sastra. I don't like literature. I want to be a farmer, bro. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. I don't have the answer right now because where has have been like 1 year in this majority. So maybe, just maybe, right? Not my choice, but I think I want to be in linguistic someday.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Rashfa. Thank you very much for a wonderful interview, Mr.
Oh,
Rashfa.
yes.
And that's all
But
the question.
the,
Okay.
the
Anything?
answer.
Oh yeah, don't worry about that.
Question,
Don't worry
no,
about that.
censor
Okay,
that.
we'll censor it.
And my
And
mouth,
guys,
like that.
if you want the uncensored version, don't forget to subscribe to my stream. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
And thank you very much, Mr. Alpha.
Okay.
That's all the question I have for you. And thank you very much, guys. See you.
See you.
So, guys, that's it for my interview. And after interviewing some people of English literature, I found out that your opinion about English literature and the subject really changed as you go on through semester. People of the higher semester think more harshly of the subject, and I think the English test, the English skill of people in English literature is also quite really good, and coincidentally, a lot of people do also love the subject speaking. So that's all for my interview. Thank you so much for watching. See you.